Hi, this is Jane. Welcome to my kitchen. It is Hatch chili season, and the chilies are at every one of our stores. Now, if you've never heard of what a Hatch chili is, it's actually grown in Hatch, New Mexico. And the season is really short on these. It's usually mid-August to beginning September. There's 3 levels of heat to these. One is mild, there's medium, and there is hot. Now what I do with these is I'll take the stems off first, and then what I did is I lined my pan with foil. That way it's easier to clean up later. Now if you're roasting these peppers on a grill, you don't want to put any oil on them just because of that open flame, but I'm going to put them in the oven in the broiler. And so what I did is I sprayed them on the other side. I flipped them over, so I'm going to lightly spray them again. And I am going to add some little bit of salt to it, just to give it a little flavor. And these peppers you can put in so many different things. You can put them in macaroni and cheese, you can put them in hot dishes, casseroles, you can put them in scrambled eggs for breakfast, and they are so delicious. But again, such a limited time of being able to get these. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop them in the oven, and I've got my broiler set for 425. And what we're going to do is we're going to just watch them for about 10 minutes on one side. I'm going to keep watching them because I want them blackened and I want them to blister. Now I took them out and they are looking beautiful. They are very nicely roasted, but we want to make sure we're flipping them over to the other side also. And then I'm going to stick it back in and broil it for a few more minutes. Okay, now my Hatch chilies are all roasted. They look absolutely gorgeous, but I want to get them in plastic bags as soon as possible while they're still hot. And I usually put just 4 in a bag just to give it room, and I'm going to seal it real quick because I want that heat to stay in there. That is steaming them, and the more they get steamed, the easier it is to peel off the peel. And now what we're going to do is just let them sit here for about 10 minutes. And we're going to let them steam. Okay, now my peppers have steamed for about 10 minutes. And so what I'm going to do is just peel off the skin. And I'm wearing gloves because the peppers are hot. And I don't want that to get on my face or in my eyes. Okay, now I have got my chili peppers all done, and they're nice and fresh and roasted, and I can just smell them in the air. They smell so good. What I did is I chopped up a few. These, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put them into a vacuum sealer, seal them off so that I can have them year round, and that's what I normally do. Now, what I did do though is I took some of the chilies, I chopped them up already, and I wanted to take a recipe that gave that Midwest twist to it. So we all love tater tot hot dish up here, so that's what I'm going to make today. I already cooked my hamburger with some onion in it, and now what I'm going to do is I took and did some green beans, some corn, some peas, and some veggie, and I'm going to mix them together. And then of course I'm going to add my Hatch chilies to them. And then I'm going to add my mushroom soup to it. And we'll get that all mixed up together. And I'm going to put it on the top of the meat mixture. Then I'm just going to spread it out. Okay. And then I have actually got potato crowns, and you can get these at our stores, and I'm just going to put those right on the top. My next step is I'm going to put it in the oven for 350 degrees, and I'm going to watch it. Usually it takes about 45 minutes to an hour to heat up. So now I've got it all heated. I'm going to add my cheese to it. Now I'm going to put it back in the oven until that cheese melts. Now that I have the hot dish done, including the hatch chilies in it, there was one more ingredient that I snuck in, but I'm not telling. You're gonna have to go on celebratemore.com and check it out. Now, I'm gonna sample this because I can smell the hatch chilies and I can smell the secret ingredient in there, and I can't wait to eat it. But you better hurry into any one of our stores because those hatch chilies are going quick and it's a limited time only and you don't want to miss out. We'll see you soon. Hi, this is Jane at We're ready?
I'm ready.
She's ready. Hi, this is Jane. I already cooked. Okay, let's start again. Now my tater. Oh, God. Ashley, you are not helping matters.
I know.
You have got to stop laughing.